So, Amanda is bumisita dito, magja-jogging doon. O, sa may Melmar. Animal. Bata to, busit. So, okay. Back to my vlog for today. So, for today's video is, bakit nga ba? Ano nga bang nangyari? So, dumaan si Amanda dito. Ano nga ba nangyari sa mga alahas ko? Well, karamihan ng alahas ko, nabenta ko na sila. Pero, hindi naman ako nalugi. Kasi, actually, yung iba doon ay bigay, regalo. Pero yun nga lang, nakakapaghinayang kasi bigay kasi yun mga regalo. So, eto natira sa akin, yung letter M from Mary's collection kay Mama Mary. Yeah. Kasi, ang nangyari no, nagpapagawa ko ng bahay eh. So, diba, like, nagpapagawa ka ng bahay and everyone is actually there. Alam mo yun? So, ang hirap kasi parang lahat nag-e-expect. Yung expectation. Papasweldo. So, diba? Nagpapasweldo ka. Papagawa ka ng bahay, nagpapasweldo ka. So, expect na yung expenses andon. And so, eventually, yung mga alahas na yan, sabi ko, madali na lang bumili. In the long run, mapapalitan naman. But, that is actually the purpose din of gold, diba? Like, you wear it, you're able to build your finances from gold, from that wealth, and then when you're able to, you know, dun mo ma-appreciate. That's when you will be able to appreciate, you know, the importance of gold when you have gold. Because having gold is a lot of help when you are in need financially. So it's also good to invest. And of course, if you have gold, like if you have gold naman, hindi ka naman tatambay kung saan-saan na, 'di ba? Real talk lang naman, hindi ka naman mag-gold tapos pupunta ka sa mga alam mong madaming mga pwedeng hubad-hubarin mo rin pag kunyari pupunta ka ng mga Arangke, ng mga Quiapo, ng mga ganyan. Just to be safe. Alam mo yon. So anyway, yun na nga po ang nangyari. Nung nagpagawa ko ng bahay, kailangan ko kasi ng credit. So, I had to sell some of my gold for the purchase of materials and then for pasweldo. Alam mo, hindi naman dapat umabot sa ganun eh. Kung hindi lang, kung sana transparent lang ang lahat. Like, you know. Kung sana naging transparent lang ang lahat. But, unfortunately, that wasn't the case. Hindi naging transparent. So, well, that's it. We learned the lesson. I'll see you later, guys. Okay, so now, because that is the reality, and the reality is we love it here at the Hinaguan Farm, and we are with our Bebshis and everybody else. So let's try the fish. The fish paksiw. Fish paksiw. Let's try it. I think this one is a better fish. And hindi. This is the better one. And then we have here.
Lagyan mo ng ano, anghang. Ayun o.
Ito.
Hindi, yun o. Carolina Reaper.
Oh no.
Alin?
Mag-iba na yung lasa kasi nung ano pag nag-Carolina Reaper.
Where? What?
Yung ano lang.
Anong Carolina? Ano? Ito?
Oo.
Hindi sa alis ko.
So,
Saan ba?
super spicy
ito.
Chenelin Kinember.
Sobrang anghang talaga niyan?
Yes. Like the spiciest in the world. Mapapaiyak ka na lang. And then, suffer. Yung dila mo magsasuffer.
Guys, sarap na pula.
This paksiw fish is so good. It melts in your mouth. And then ampalaya.
Oh my God, Beshi.
So
Gusto ko
it's
yung
seafood.
maanghang. Kumain ako ng maanghang, Beshi. Super.
As in?
Oo. Nilagay ko sa ano. Sarap eh.
So happy Saturday, happy Sabbath to everybody. And thank you. No proof. Bye.